this boat eh? Dekat sebelah. Yeah, because you are talking about it macam from the Decathlon. Oh, the whole set ah? No, just this one. Oh, just the boat. Then the pump also, is it?
Palm also, yeah.
How much is it?
700.
700.
Uh,
But it's a good one sana.
yeah, good one. Got cheaper one, but this one better.
This one betul tak? Can I touch?
Can. Never mind, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
With the pedal?
Pedal separately buy.
Oh, separately, not
No, only the boat only. This one $30 one.
$30 one. Then the boat comes with the pump lah.
No, palm also buy separately. Yeah. Palm I think $30. I think about $30. Oh. Yeah, they can go out fish. Okay, thank you. Bye. Hi, welcome to another episode of Busy Fishing. Today we are at Changi Carpark 1 for another kayak launch, and today we are going to Pulau Sekudu, also known as the Frog Island, very near to the Ubin area. So this is our first time fishing there. We will be fishing at the incoming tide. Hopefully we can get some nice fish like tusk fish, grouper, or mangrove jacks.
I want grouper.
Okay, grouper. So the time now is 1 p.m. and we'll be fishing until about 6 p.m. So hopefully we can get a good catch report. Our kayak is over here and we are ready to launch. See you later. Now we are crossing the channel. So when we are crossing the channel, we must be extra careful to look out for big boats. So there are no big boats at the moment. So we will continue kayaking across the channel. Okay guys, we have reached our first spot. Our first spot is at Pulau Sekudu, very near Pulau Ubin. So for this spot, right, we are at about 2.5 meters depth of water. It's not exactly deep at all, but there are a lot of corals and rocks beneath which all the fishes are hiding. So we hope to catch some of them today. Oh, Zhang is on a fish now. Oh no! It's a toadfish.
Where is my grouper?
First fish for today, but it is a toadfish.
Oh no.
5 minutes only. Okay, hope we get better catches later.
Release this one?
Yeah, we release this guy. But we will not do a underwater release because this guy got spikes.
Okay, bye sister.
Okay, Z having her lunch. Today, no Changi Village nasi lemak. Instead, we are having chicken rice at meat from Changi Village as well. He's on the fish. Nah, task fish. Good one, Nazi. Bring in. Nice one.
My chicken rice.
Nice one.
Yay, my first task fish. But I want grouper.
Yay! Okay, I caught another tusk fish. This one a bit smaller. So we might release this guy if we catch another bigger one later. Now you can see there are 2 fishing boats around us as well.
Where's the fishing boat?
Just in front there. Now Z on serious fishing mode. It's a super hot day, so remember to hydrate yourself by drinking a lot of water when out fishing in the deep sea. I caught a sea cucumber or coral. Sea cucumber. No.
Why?
You want to bring back? Okay, and we caught a India emperor fish. It's a very small one. So we're going to catch and release this guy. Yay.
Okay, you can release this guy. Release ah?
Okay, we're gonna release this guy now. Yay! Yay! Okay, now we are at our last spot. That's Pulau Tekong, and I don't miss it. Behind us is Ubin Jawa wetlands. We are crossing back the channel now, going back to Changi.